I'll show you this one little technique called the WM technique, whatever. It's a simple little technique. You do that 40 times around your room, you're done. You do it again, you're done. You're done, put your furniture back, call it a day. Nice, happy times. Morning everybody, it's Jay from Simple Woods Life. You still have those heat warnings coming through. I guess the whole world's having some issues, boiling over, getting toasty. Today's a handy bit episode. Doesn't everyone just hate painting? I don't. I painted for years, and by no means am I a professional painter when it comes to the house. But I know a couple of things and a couple of tiny little tricks that can give you a leg up. And first thing we gotta do, put the coffee on. Handy bits, okay? Handy bit. Tip number 1, buy good quality materials. Invest in a decent brush. You can clean it, okay? Use it again and again and again. Buy good quality rollers. Get a decent tape. Don't screw up on the tape. Don't cheap out on the paint, okay? Invest in a decent roller. Oh, roller. It's not going in the video. Holy crap. Do a little bit of prep, cover up your stuff, put the tarps down, and sort of block the edges in, yo. I got that blocked in. You really should keep a wet edge, but it'll be okay because I'm moving quick. What I wanted to show you was something that is the WM method. And basically, it gives you a nice even coat. You'll load your roller up as thick as you can, right? Not as thick, don't be an idiot. Get a nice thick coat on this, right? So this will be heavy with paint. We'll bring it down and we're gonna make a W. Okay, by the way, I got medium. I bought medium. So now I'm like the deep. You're gonna make a W or an M. That's your choice. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go the opposite direction, right? So you're gonna have a lot of paint here, come down, less paint. Then you're gonna come back where the paint's heavy, right? And you're gonna bring it back down and repeat, but in the opposite direction. That'll give you the coverage. Then you're gonna start where you started and you're gonna bring it out and smooth it and get everything nice and smooth like, right? And then you just repeat. We're gonna load it up. That's heavy, lighter, right? Almost out of paint. Get the heavy again, cover up. And if you gotta go and do a little something like that, I don't care, you do that, right? Now this time, I want the heavy coat on this side because I'm gonna push back. Right? Because I don't want there to be a big glob of paint here. So this time, I'll do an M for you. Alright? That's it. Do it, like I said, 20, 30 more times. And there we go. Repeat. WM. Over and over again. Oh, Miss Lady. Hello. Nice to see you. Oh, no, she's gone. And so you just repeat. Sorry about that flicker, everybody. That's the trials and tribulations of using an LED work light, and the regular techniques in my software don't work to remove it, and the plugin's $150, and this is a Handy Bits episode, so I'm not purchasing it. Most of our work's outside. We're looking so jazzalicious that in between coats, I've opened myself a cold pop. They tell you on it, like if it's ready, so you don't have to think. Which is nice, because I can never feel temperature because of the incident. And there we go, second coat. The WM or MW technique. And you know, really, that's all it is, man. My handy tip is essentially get yourself some decent tools. Don't cheap out on stuff. Get a good brush, a good roller, good tape. You'll be thankful that you spent a couple extra bucks, because look at the results. Paint today is self-leveling. Look at how nice it turns out just doing that simple technique with decent tools. Please let me know what you'd like to see in the next videos and like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.